Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. The Starch Solution is a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall, and he wrote a book called The Starch Solution. If you're not familiar with the Starch Solution, it is a starch-centered diet. You will be eating whole food, plant-based foods with no oil, and you will be eating whole food carbs like potatoes, rice, sweet potatoes, and non-starchy vegetables like carrots, broccoli, green beans. So half your plate's gonna be starches, half your plate's gonna be the vegetables. And you just repeat that at every meal. It's easy, it's delicious, and it's the best way to lose weight and to get healthy. If you'd like more information about the Starch Solution, I will leave a link to the book, The Starch Solution, in the description box below. On my channel, you will find whole food, plant-based recipes that are also gluten-free. I have celiacs, all my recipes are gluten-free. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And for extra support, I did start a Facebook group, and you can join that as well. It's absolutely free. And in that group, we discuss our challenges, our wins, we inspire each other, we post recipes. So it's a good little group and we'd love to have you. Today I'm gonna be trying something for the first time on camera, which is gonna be really interesting. It's something that I've seen on TikTok, and maybe you've seen it. It's with the tortilla and they cut a little cut in it and then they kind of fold it up. So I'm gonna try that today and see if this mature lady can figure it out. So stay tuned for that. Let's get started. Okay, so according to TikTok, you make a cut like that. Okay, so far so good. And let's see, I'm gonna do kind of like a burrito thing. So I smashed up some pinto beans. So I'm gonna put that on the first quadrant. All right. Then over here, I think I'm gonna put some cheese sauce. In fact, I'm gonna put cheese sauce on all four quadrants, or all three, I should say, that are left. Should have probably put it on all four, but that's okay. Like I said, it's my first time doing it. So we'll see how this all goes. All right, then up here, I think I'll put some rice. Okay. A little bit of rice. And then I also want to put a little bit of onion here. I've got just some smashed up avocado, nothing in it, just avocado. A few little tomatoes on the avocado. And then I think I'm gonna put some lettuce on this one too. I'm gonna need some salsa. So I'm gonna put a little dab on each one. Then what you're supposed to do is fold this one here, fold this one here, and this one here. Okay, so far so good. So I'll put this in my panini maker and show you the final results. It doesn't look exactly like TikTok ones I've seen, but I think it's pretty good actually. But the important thing is the taste. All right, so here it is. Let's give it a taste. I think I can. It's very hot. Ready? It's actually really good. I just probably filled it too much, but you can see all the layers in there, and it tastes really good. It's crispy. So I think for a first attempt, we're gonna say it's a success. So I hope you like this video, and I hope it inspires you to try new things. You know, what's the worst thing that can happen? You know, and usually it turns out pretty good. So be a little bit brave in the kitchen and experiment. It's fun. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below. And if you've ever tried this before, let me know and give me some tips, what I did wrong or what I should do for the next time. And if you like my t-shirt I'm wearing, Vegan Do It, I'll leave a link to my Etsy store in the description box as well. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate, And all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. Until next time, thank you.
I'm gonna fix that. So,
and if you found it helpful, if you found this video,